Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is a Chop-o-matic, and this goes back to a memory I have from State Fair. It's October in North Carolina, and that means State Fair. I've attended the State Fair, always had good times there, and I won't be attending this year. But when I was a little boy, my mama and I were watching this man use a Chop-o-matic chopping up vegetables. Well, he had a crowd and he was a talker. Well, my mama was interested in seeing this. Knowing my mama didn't cook a lot of dishes that required that chopper. But anyway, you got to understand the background of my mama. She was tight as tight. She wasn't tight where it went off on other people. It was just, we were tight on us. And I guess that's where I get my frugalness from. Well, she watched that man, and my mama bought one of those choppers. She had to have it. Well, if it got used twice at home, I'm probably exaggerating by 1.5 times. I don't know that she ever used it. Well, years later, I was watching a TV commercial, and there was another chopper, but it was made more out of plastic. Well, what would it be but the Ron Popeil chopper? And who would be the person that talked to us in Raleigh that day? None other than Ron Popeil himself. Well, I looked for that chopper, and who knows whatever became of it, because it sure didn't get used. But yeah, my mama was tight, but she lost that habit with with her grandkids, and she pretty much whatever they wanted, she made sure if she couldn't get it, she found a way for them to have it. But thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.